In today's video, we're going to be talking about mosquito bites. We'll break it down in how to prevent and how to treat them, including medication and natural treatments. Let's get straight into it. Did you know that only female mosquitoes bite humans? Female mosquitoes need the protein from our blood to help develop their eggs. There are three main factors that make us more prone to being bitten. First is carbon dioxide. Mosquitoes have receptors that detect the carbon dioxide in the air. When humans breathe out, we emit carbon dioxide, and the mosquitoes can sense this from more than 10 meters away. Now, some people emit more carbon dioxide than others. If you're male, overweight, or if you're pregnant, you're more likely to be bitten by mosquitoes, as you generally have a higher metabolic rate and are probably emitting more carbon dioxide than others. Another factor is body odor. There are certain compounds on our skin that mosquitoes can detect, in particular carboxylic acids. On human skin, we generally can't smell carboxylic acids, but it is present in smelly cheeses such as Limburger cheese, which is known to attract mosquitoes. Particular body odors tend to run in the family, so you're more likely to be attractive to mosquitoes if your family members tend to get bitten as well. Another factor that may affect our body odor is our skin microbiome. The higher diversity of bacteria on our skin tends to make us less attractive to mosquitoes. And the third factor is body temperature. So once the mosquitoes move into the general area by following our carbon dioxide emissions and body odor, it can then detect our body temperature. Once you get bitten by a mosquito, the saliva gets injected into our skin, and this is what causes the reaction. After a few hours, you'll typically see a puffy red bump on your skin. This can become really itchy and hard after a few days. Some people react by getting small blisters or dark spots. Now, very rarely you may get a more severe reaction, including hives or larger swelling in the area, fever or swollen lymph nodes. If you do have any trouble breathing, you may be anaphylactic and need to seek medical help immediately. As soon as you notice the bite, wash the area with soap and water or rubbing alcohol to remove any excess bacteria or mosquito saliva from the area. From there, you can use either medicated or natural treatments. If you're wanting to use medicated treatments, as soon as you get the bite, use some aluminium. Aluminium contained in products such as Stingose helps by interacting with the protein found in the saliva of the mosquito when they bite. This reduces the swelling and can also help with the pain and inflammation. If you don't have a specific mosquito bite product containing aluminium on hand, you could even use an antiperspirant deodorant containing aluminium if that's all you have. Now, this one is my personal favorite. A mild corticosteroid cream such as Hydrocortisone 1% can reduce the swelling and itchiness of the mozzie bite. Apply this 2 to 4 times a day. A local anesthetic such as lidocaine can help to reduce the pain and itchiness from the mozzie bite. You can find these in combination with a cooling gel or a calamine lotion as the base to get some extra relief from the itchiness. Calamine lotion can help to reduce the itchiness. You can apply it directly to the skin or add it to a bath. Oral antihistamines such as cetirizine, fexofenadine or loratadine, to name a few, can help to reduce the reaction and itchiness of the mozzie bite. You can take this at any stage of the bite, including before and after. If the itchiness is really bad at night, you could also use a drowsy antihistamine such as diphenhydramine or dexchlorpheniramine. If you prefer not to use medicated treatments, there are several natural treatments you could try. First up is a cold compress. Apply a cold compress for 10 minutes at a time and repeat this several times a day. This can help to reduce the swelling and itchiness. Number 2, baking soda. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water. Apply the paste to the bite area for 10 minutes and then wash it off. This can help to reduce the itch and inflammation. Aloe vera gel can help to soothe the area and reduce inflammation and redness. Oatmeal is a natural anti-itch. Grind your oatmeal and mix it with some warm water until it forms a paste. Apply it to the bite for 10 minutes and repeat throughout the day. Alternatively, you can take an oatmeal bath if the bites are all over the body. Honey not only has antibacterial properties, but can also help to relieve the itching and inflammation. Just apply it directly to the bites and cover it with a dressing to stop the stickiness from going everywhere. Now, prevention is really important, especially in areas that are known to have mosquito-borne diseases such as dengue fever and malaria. The best way to prevent mosquito bites is to cover up. Wear long, loose-fitting, light-coloured clothing when going outside to stop the mozzies from being able to get to your skin. Mosquitoes can actually bite through tight clothing and are attracted to dark colours. On areas that aren't covered, apply insect repellent. Ingredients to look for include DEET, which stands for diethyltoluamide, or picaridin. DEET can be a bit sticky, has a bit of a smell, and you have to be careful as it can dissolve plastics such as sunglasses and watch bands. Picaridin is a newer ingredient but has been found to be just as effective as DEET without having that funny smell or stickiness, and it definitely doesn't melt your plastics. Now, it may seem scary to use these chemicals on your skin, but they have been found to be safe and effective. If you prefer a natural insect repellent, 32% lemon eucalyptus oil has been found to be over 95% effective in preventing mosquito bites for up to 3 hours. Now, citronella is as effective as DEET initially, but the problem is it evaporates so quickly that the efficacy wears off. It may be worth having a citronella candle around you as a second layer of protection, but I would still recommend applying one of the other insect repellents. Now, this product provides about 40 to 60% protection against mosquito bites compared to 40% DEET, which gives 100% protection. It uses a battery operated fan which lasts for up to 12 hours to spray a chemical called methofluorine around you. This one is good if you prefer not to spray anything directly onto your skin. There's a myth that if you take vitamin B1 supplements, also known as thiamine, can help to prevent mosquitoes from biting you. Now, there have been countless studies on this, and the conclusion is there is no scientific evidence to back this up. So that comes to the end of our video on mosquito bites. If you found anything useful in this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!